Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for subscribing, and after a long time I am posting another video because it is my hobby to solve the questions and to share. This is a Irish Maths Olympiad question based on number theory. The question is, find the smallest positive integer m such that 5 times of m is an exact fifth power, 6 times of m is an exact sixth power, and 7 times of n is an exact seventh power. So let's find the value of m. So what we'll do, we'll take let m equals to 5 to the power a, 6 to the power b, and 7 to the power c. Then according to the question, 5 times of m equals to 5, the exponent will be a plus 1, into 6 power b into 7 power c is fifth power. What does it mean? It means that 5 power a plus 1 is congruent to 0 modulo 5. Six to the power b, that means b is congruent to 0 modulo 5. Again, c is also congruent to 0 modulo 5. All will be divisible by 5. Now, given that 6 times of m will be, 6 will be multiplied, then 5 power 1, 6 power will be b plus 1, again 7 power c is sixth power. In the same logic, we'll write a is congruent to 0 modulo 6, b plus 1 is congruent to 0 modulo 6, and c is congruent to 0 modulo 6. Now coming to the last part, 7 times of m equals to 5 power a, 6 power b, and it will be 7 power c plus 1. 7 is multiplied. It's 7th power. So this implies that a is congruent to 0 modulo 7, b is congruent to 0 modulo 7, and c plus 1 is congruent to 0 modulo 7. So now we'll combine or compare all a. Here a is congruent to 0 modulo 6, and from first it is 0 modulo 5. Now it is congruent to 0 modulo 7. So comparing all congruency modulo about a, from first a plus 1 is congruent to 0 modulo 5. Again a is congruent to your 0 modulo 6, and again a is congruent to 0 modulo 7. So how to solve for a? 6 and 7 are co-prime. I can take the LCM of 6 and 7, 42. 42, when we'll take the value of a, I'll put here 42 plus 1, 43. When it divides by 5, it does not leaves remainder 0. But if you take 42 multiplies by 2, then your 84. When 84 plus 1, 85. When it divides by 5, it leaves the remainder 0. So A equals to 84 from these three observations. Now coming to B. B is your B equals to 0 modulo 5, B plus 1 equals to 0 modulo 6, and B equals to 0 modulo 7. So let us write all these three. B is congruent to 0 modulo 5, B is congruent to 0 modulo 7, and B is congruent to 0 modulo, again this is 5, because B plus 1 is congruent to B plus 1 is congruent to 0 modulo 6. So we can write B is congruent to your 0 modulo 5. So it is simple, 7, 5, 5. So B will be 35. B equals to 35. Now coming to third one. So from these three observations, we got B equals to 35. Now coming to C. C, from the first expression, C is 0 modulo 5, C is 0 modulo 6, G is 0 modulo 7. C is congruent to 0 modulo 5, C is congruent to 0 modulo 6, and C is congruent, C plus 1 is congruent to, I'm sorry, I told C is congruent to C 0 modulo 7. So now you have to analyze these three. So if I take your 6, 5, LCM is 30, they are co-prime. So when 30 plus 1, when divided with 7, it does not leaves remainder 0. 30 multiplies by 2, 60. 60 plus 1 does not leave remainder 0 when divided by 7. 30 multiplies 3, your 90. 90 and 90 plus 1 equals to 91, which is congruent to 0 modulo 7. So C equals to 90. So now we got A, we got B, we got C. So M equals to 5 power A, which is 84. Then your 6 power B, B is 35. B is 35. And C is your 90. So this is 7 power 90. So this is the minimum value of A. So M is the smallest positive integer. Where 5 times of M is 5th power, 6 times of M is 6th power, and 6 times of 7 times of M is 7th power. Thank you for watching.